welcome to Senior Irish Strokes. I'm Angel Mercado. Today, in the 5-minute and under tutorial, we're going to be doing another exercise because I believe that here is the key for you who is struggling to create the line might be having, because if you don't know how to render straight lines or curved lines, you might be having problems, creating the drawings that you want to create. And the fastest way to learn is to practice exercises, just to exercise, not to just draw, but to exercise. And this time we're going to draw a flower, and we're going to start by 1, 2, 3. The point it is try to be as precise as you can and finish each petal right there on the dot that we drew initially. So we'll start with 3 petals. Then we're going to go to 4 petals. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to move it here. This is the 3 petal. The reason why I'm using the iPad today is so I can do this part here. It'll be easier for me to do it than try to get do it on paper. And it has the same effect. If you do it on the iPad or on paper, it has the same effect. I'm still doing the same arm movement, which comes from shoulder to elbow and elbow, and from the elbow to the tip of my pen is one solid piece. It doesn't move, never. We just move arms and shoulders. So we've done the 3 petals. Now I'm going to do another dot, draw another one, and I'm going to draw a 4 petal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we go with 5 petals. Draw a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you can see, they're not perfect petals, are not all even, but that's okay. We're exercising. So give yourself a little break and just think about that you are just exercising. Now we go from 5, we go to 6 petals. Draw a dot, and we go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, I kind of messed a little bit there, but that's okay. The main thing is just the flow. Try to get into an arm movement, rhythm. That way you will feel more fluent when you move your arm around. And that is the key to it. It just make the arm to move around. Now we're going to go to 7 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we go to 8 petals. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's getting better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 petals. What we are going after is the flow, is the arm movement. So the next one is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we go with 11. Dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We can do better than that, can't we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now I'm going to enlarge this on the number 12 to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You see how the arms start going into a rhythm, start moving by itself, and always try to come back to the dot. That's the main thing. So that's the exercise. Once you get your arm going, flowing like this, it's going to make your curves a lot stronger. They're going to look better. They're going to look like you're a sure hand doing this, and you're going to feel a lot more confident. That's what happens when you start doing this. So like I said, the reason I did it on my iPad is because it has the same effect as doing a paper and pencil, plus here I can do several of them and you can see them all at once. My art channel, Senior Art Strokes, for more tutorials. Give me thumbs up and a like, and I will see you next time. I hope you'll practice. Very useful exercise. Till next time, goodbye.